Hello Dnation and welcome to a special unbox and review episode. In this episode we're going to be unboxing a Deadpool ice cream truck and the grumobile, which are premium movie themed 1/64th scale vehicles manufactured by Hot Wheels. Well, these are premium and trending Hot Wheels diecast collectibles right now, so I got them together for this episode. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, let's begin by taking a look at the packaging. These Hot Wheels diecast movie theme vehicles come in the signature Hot Wheels cardbox blister packaging with all the product branding and information. And as you can see, I got these two premium and amazing movie theme vehicles from the Hot Wheels series as they are trending, and moreover cause I simply can't resist any Deadpool themed collectibles. So let's go ahead and take a look at the signature packaging before we set these beauties free. And with that out of the way, and as we get these opened, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast collectibles away from children below the age of 5, as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get these opened. Well, at first glance, these premium movie theme vehicles look quite premium and have a good build quality, a unique design, and also have quite a bit of detailing to them as well. And these models are manufactured mostly of diecast and a few bits and bobs with ABS plastic, which make them premium looking. These models have a beautiful build quality and measure in at 2.5 inches in length, 2 inches in height, 1 inch in width, and weigh in at about 100 grams on average depending on the model. These models also come with spot on paint apps according to their color scheme and branding details, and they have free rolling wheels and a lot more, which make them functional and a premium collectible. And these are the two premium and amazing movie themed 1/64th scale vehicles that I got together for today's episode. And what we are looking at now is the grumobile, which is driven by the felonious Gru in the Despicable Me movies. Big and bulbous, felonious Gru's car is powered by a large rocket engine and has a pointed rear end perfect for ramming cars out of the way to make parking spaces a little bigger. It's ideal to take on the former supervillain errand, whether it's a run to the coffee shop or a quick dash to the bank of evil. And moving on, we have my favorite, which is the Deadpool ice cream truck. Hot Wheel cars don't come more collectible than this. This Deadpool ice cream truck boasts classic diecast metal body, cool deco, and real rider rubber tires that look and feel like the real thing based on the vehicle that was actually manufactured. This Deadpool ice cream truck is a must-have for any Hot Wheels collection, especially if you're a Deadpool fanatic and collector like I am. It's a premium and a well-detailed sturdy truck and a must-have. And with this episode, we come to the end of this amazing Hot Wheels series. And I should admit that by now I've actually fallen in love with these little diecast beauties and have a whole new level of love and admiration for Hot Wheels and the vast variety of diecast collectibles they have. This series was a pleasure to make, and kindly let me know in the comments below if you'd like me to do another Hot Wheels series. And since I'm a big fan of blowout engine muscle cars, I made 8 Hot Wheel muscle machine episodes in the series, so if you want to check out some amazing, unique and premium muscle machines by Hot Wheels, I dropped the Hot Wheels playlist link in the description below. So go check it out and let me know what you think. And with that being said, let's get a closer look at these Hot Wheels diecast models and check out their bodywork and functionality. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding these diecast models in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with these premium diecast models. And with that being said, let's place these one-of-a-kind movie-themed Hot Wheel vehicles on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these beauties in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. Hot Wheels is a brand of diecast toys which was introduced by American toy maker Mattel in 1968. It was the primary competitor of Matchbox until 1997 when Mattel bought Tyco Toys, then owner of Matchbox. Many automobile manufacturers have since licensed Hot Wheels to make scale models of their cars, allowing the use of original design blueprints and detailing. And although Hot Wheels were originally intended for children and young adults, they have become popular with adult collectors nowadays, for whom limited edition models are now made available. And every now and then Hot Wheels comes out with a series of licensed movie-themed vehicles as well. And for its 40th anniversary in 2008, Hot Wheels celebrated the making of its 4 billionth car with the production of a diamond-studded model worth $140,000, and it had 2,700 diamond chips, a total of almost 23 carats, and was cast in white gold with rubies serving as taillights. And for further information on Hot Wheels, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones any one of these Hot Wheel movie themed vehicles that are featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy links in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below whether you like the Deadpool ice cream truck or the grumobile, as I would like to know which one of these amazing vehicles are your favorite. And kindly continue to support Dnation by liking and sharing our videos, and stay tuned for all new episodes coming up. And this brings us to the end of this amazing Hot Wheels muscle machine unbox and review series, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.